Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a 2008 Harley Davidson Street Glide I want to show you. We're offering this bike in our bargain bike section because it does have a few miles on it and it's got a few little signs of wear. It has been upgraded with a lot of nice stuff. Got the stretched bags on it, Vance & Hines True Dual exhaust, put new tires on it, front and rear. Got the detachable passenger backrest. Looks like it's going to need a little upholstery work here on the seat. Set of 8 hangers, steel braided lines, Avon grips, chrome buttons here. Got the Screaming Eagle heavy breather intake, engine guard up front. New tire there on the front as well. Got the custom windshield. The bike's got several little rock pecks and little hairline scratches on it just from riding. It's not from abuse, it's just from riding, and those little things flipping. That came off right there. Little pebbles flipping up and ricocheting off of there. Just means it was doing its job. The inner fairing's faded a little bit here. 3-pouch windshield bag, upgraded Pioneer stereo. It's got the remote up here in this pouch, chrome bezel around there, upgraded speakers in here. The bike's got 45,954 miles. Got anti-lock brakes. Got some spark plug covers in there. Upgraded derby cover. Vance & Hines sound good on here. Bike qualifies for a renewable 1, 2, or 3 year extended warranty and some excellent financing. It's got qualifies for our test ride lease program. Might be something you want to check on. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about this bike. You can go online and see our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com. Take almost anything in on trade. And we're selling ship bikes all over the world, so it would be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a bargain bike special. As is, where is, how is. Give us a call, toll free, 888-400-1151.